built with joy, not chain. Every stone a note of peace. Tower sing that war must cease. No division, no disguise. Tower shine before our eyes. Strong foundation, love unite. Tower glow with holy light. Worker hand in worker hand, building strength across the land. Song of mercy in the wall. Tower shelter great and small. Babylon crumble, pride decay. Tower stand the righteous way. Every voice in unison. Tower shine, the work begun. Morning bell begin to ring. Tower rise and people sing. Every nation side by side. Tower heal the ancient pride. No more borders, no more fight. Tower glow with holy light. Every color, every tongue. Tower where we all belong. Even when the storm arrive, tower strong, it still survive. No corruption, shake the stone. Tower standing truth alone. Every level, pure and bright. Tower climbing to the light. Babylon kingdom, fade away. Tower sing the brighter day. Generations gather near. Tower song is what we hear. Everlasting melody. Tower shine eternity. Walls of justice, roof of grace. Tower built in Zion place. Echo strong across the sky. Tower song will never die. Rise, rise, strong and free. Tower sound in unity. Sing, sing, bold and true. Tower call for me and you. Tower of harmony, tall and wide. Stand forever by your side, never breaking, never fall. Tower of peace, embrace us all, forever glowing, pure and strong. Tower sing the righteous song. Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start fi roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry joy inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Oh, me see the struggle still remain, but love will raise the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my oath, no silver, no gold. Me need only Jah, my creed. My heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Roots revival rise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah is the ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight. Guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say, remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. from the ground, revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud, me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire, the future them inspire. The system can't blind no more, we open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow, one nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we whole. Roots revive, alright. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soul Jah keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight, guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. Ay, 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 ganja, I meditate, yeah, man. The morning sun, I blaze my skin. Jah love dwell deep within. Me breathe the light, me feel the air. Jah presence everywhere. Me see the mountain bow to breeze. Creation live in peace. Jah word echo from above. Eternal love. Me heartbeat calm and true. Me walk with you. No weapon rise can win. Love dwell within. Me look up on the world today. So much lost along the way. Me chant fi heal the pain. Love fall like rain. The people cry, but just still near. Me wipe away the tear. Hope still blooming at the night. Guided by Jah light, with a Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. Me sit beneath the banyan tree. Jah whisper comfort me. Me meditate, me overstand. Jah hold me on. The world spin fast, me spirit slow. Jah make me grow. Me see the sunrise touch the sea. The truth set me free. Me chant for mercy, chant for peace, till hatred cease. Love conquer all divide. Jah dwell inside. Eternal flame, me call your name. No life remain the same. Jah mercy wide and clear. Forever near. With Jah love eternal flame. Forever call Jah name. One heart, one life, one way. Love never fade away. Jah love eternal strong. Keep we moving on. Peace flow like river deep. Jah promise keep. So when my final day come, me rest in Jah kingdom. Love eternal still burn bright. Guided by Jah light.
Zion song, lift the people all along. Every nation, one accord. Earth rejoice in Jah Lord. Not in war, not in greed. Earth provide all we need. Babylon try to take control, but Jah Earth can't sell nor stole. Every ocean, every stream, Earth rejoice in Jah dream. Birds are sing and lions roar. Earth rejoice forevermore. Man and woman side by side. Earth sustain, Jah provide. Children plant and harvest grow. Earth rejoice so all shall know. Not destruction, not despair. Earth rejoice, Jah everywhere. Eternal cycle, truth remain. Earth rejoice, we break the chain. Dance, dance, Mother Earth. Celebrate the holy birth. Rise, rise, voice so strong. Earth rejoice in Zion song. Earth rejoice, Zion song. Lift the people all along. Every nation, one accord. Earth rejoice in Jah Lord. Forever singing, day and night. Earth rejoice in Jah light.
Na na ganja and Rasta man reggae yeah, man. Me hear the river call me name. Wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong. Carry me soul along. Me walk through valley low. Still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy upon my chest. Jah give me rest. The current let me home. No man walk alone. Every drop of memory. Freedom, energy. Me see the children play by shore. Laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze. Set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow.
Freedom flow.
Carry the love we know.
From
mountain high to sea. The spirit set me free.
Set me free.
River of freedom strong.
Freedom strong.
Guide we journey long.
Journey long.
Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear. Truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean. New life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song. Where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light. Darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew. Just shine through. Me chant for every nation. Pure salvation. River deep and wise. Mirror the skies. Jah call me near. No more fear. Yeah. River of freedom flow.
Freedom flow.
Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. God's spirit set we free.
Set we free.
River of freedom strong.
Freedom strong.
Guide we journey long.
Journey long.
Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Yeah.
reach the ocean wide, me rest by Jah's side. River flow eternally, set all spirit free. Ooh, 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 ooh. echoes meditation. Raga in the garden, high and fair. Tree of life forever there. Roots them deep, branches wide. Tree of truth we cannot hide. Every leaf a healing flame. Every fruit exalt your name. Standing tall in rain or sun. Tree of Zion bless everyone. Children gather neath the shade. Tree of peace where love is made. Elders whisper prophecy. Tree reveal the destiny. Babylon axe me, swing in vain. Tree of life shall still remain. Every storm meets season's turn. Tree of Zion still will burn. Birds them sing up on the bough. Tree remind us here and now. River flow beside its root. Tree provide the holy fruit. Traveler find a place to rest. Tree of mercy give the best. Every shadow fade away. Tree of light declare the day. Even when the night is cold, tree of Zion still unfold. Every branch a sacred sign. Tree connect the earth divine. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Tree of life outshine them all. Standing tall for all to see. Tree of holy victory. Generations bow and sing. Tree of Zion crown your king. Roots eternal, strong and sure. Tree of truth will still endure. Fruit of justice, seed of peace. Tree of mercy, never cease. Everlasting, bold and free. Tree of Jah, eternity. Grow, grow, sacred tree. Bless the world in unity. Shine, shine, branches high. Tree of Zion, reach the sky. Tree of eternity, strong and true. Stand forever for me and you. Never breaking, never fall. Tree of Zion, bless us all. Forever rooted, pure delight. Tree of Jah, shine holy light. Aye, 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 aye. Smoke kaya and meditate on the river, yo man. Aye, aye. Me look up and see Jah sign. Fire blaze, spirit divine. Thunder roll and lightning sing. Truth come with everything. Me walk through the fire unafraid. Jah shield never fade. Babylon crumble, eyes fall down. Truth wear the crown. Me chant for mercy, chant for grace. See Jah light in every face. The wind carry message wide. Rasta guide. Me see the elders tell the youth, hold fast to Jah truth. No riches, fame or vanity can touch Jah family. Me stand firm on holy ground. Me spirit profound. Me thunder voice, me call one love for all. Fire in the sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. Fire in the sky. Me see the people wake again. Love replace the pain. Me feel the power, me feel the song. Justice come all along. Me chant for freedom, chant for life. End all strife. Me watch the sunrise paint the sea. Peace surround me naturally. Me hold the chalice, me give thanks. Jah fill me spiritual tanks. Me see the prophecy come true. Jah live in me and you, me no bow, me no kneel. Jah fire me shield, me walk through the flame and call Jah name. Fire in the sky, fire in the sky. Shall I never die? One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes, burn away the light. Fire in the sky. So when the night come down, lift your eyes from ground. Jah feel forever high. Fire in the sky. Fire in the sky.
Me hear a drum beat, call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jah manifest every tone, a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk, truth the tongue can't say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm, steady and sure. Me pure voice of the drum, no lie. It testify, me see the children sway along to Jah song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide. Across the tide, watch up, voice of the drum. Call again, heal the pain, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground, sacred sound. Me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile, feel a while. Drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call, unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep inna me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound. Rebirth found, every hit a prayer call. Heal we all. Drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. With you, voice of the drum, call again. Heal the pain, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth, guide the youth. Oh, voice of the drum, beat divine, line to line, line to line. Voice of the drum, set free eternally. So when the night feels still and numb, listen, the drum, it's your heartbeat inside, we abide.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me dep on Jah highway, whining on me face. Traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall, them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant. Faith abundant, me see the signs all overhead. So me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me, try to star, me try to flame. Still call Jah name, every curve me bend with care. Cause Jah they everywhere, pan Jah highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Pan Jah highway me roll.
Clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost. Them pay the cost, me stop and share a song. Help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me leave behind the fear. Me Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day to Zion way. Panja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. Panja highway me remain free from pain.
Smoke and meditate, yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Me see the towers reach the sky. But truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high, soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Free gum sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Was a tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice nothing mild. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time for redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer jackal. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red. A sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand. Guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown fit the wicked king. Only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon fall in no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. 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 When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free. Jah eternity. Nah, nah, nah. Fire. Pushing at the paper. In the darkness, small and bright, flame of unity bring the light. One spark grow into a fire, flame uplift the spirit higher. No division, no more hate, flame of unity open gate. Every hand and every soul, flame of love make we whole. Stranger smile, the walls them fall, flame of unity warm us all. Every language, every song, flame remind we all belong. Babylon coldness fade away, flame of unity light the day. Every glow a holy sign, flame of justice still divine. Elder pass the fire on, flame of unity never gone. Child receive the sacred glow, flame of mercy make it grow. Every family, every friend, flame of unity never end. Burning bright and burning free, flame of peace, eternity. Soldier drop the sword of war, flame of unity heal the scar. Every wound begin to mend, flame of unity is the friend. Nation gather round the flame, flame of love erase the shame. Every voice in harmony, flame of truth set people free. Teachers speak the wisdom clear, flame of unity draw us near. Every lesson bold and true, flame ignite the life anew. Even storm cannot destroy, flame of unity bring the joy. Every flicker strong and pure, flame of Zion will endure. Generations chant this song, flame of unity keep them strong. No more hunger, no more pain, flame of peace forever reign. Everlasting, tall and bright, flame of justice, holy light. Every nation side by side, flame of unity, end the pride. Glorious fire, bold and free, flame of love for you and me. Never fading, never small, flame of unity shine for all. Sacred fire, never still, flame of Zion keep Jah will. Eternal touch, forever true, flame of peace renew the crew. Burn, burn, holy fire, flame of unity lift us higher. Shine, shine, bold and bright, flame of mercy guide the night. Flame of unity, one and strong, carry the people all along. Never fading, never fall, flame of peace embrace us all. Forever burning, bold and pure, flame of justice still endure. Sacred fire shining free, flame of Zion